here we go, guys. Here's the front of the infamous Garfield Heights Walmart. Now, the last time that we were here, there was not a porta potty outside, nor was there any of these dumpsters. I have no idea what's going on in the inside of here, but we're going to take a quick walk around here and take a look and see what's going on from the inside if we can. What repairs have been made, what else might be destroyed. Looks like they're doing the same for the lights down here as well, replacing them all. And it looks like they're also doing some major repairs.
They have this big pile here of stuff, so they must be cleaning it up.
Yeah, they've had some heavy equipment in here. You can see the tire tracks, so they're scooping everything up and cleaning it out. Makes me curious to what plans they really have for this place now. Something's happening, just don't know what. If they're going to be doing anything with this building, they have a lot of work ahead of them, because not only does the inside need work, the outside needs a heck of a lot of work. It's still sinking, so they've got to fix what's already damaged and then keep up with damage that's still occurring from year to year. And here again we are at the garden center. Everything has been cleaned up, but also, as you can see, there is still many places you can get to this point due to all the vandalism. However, there is one new thing from last time I was here. They do have this once again sealed up. Even as we go out here to the outside, to the old auto center, outside entrances have now been boarded off. Probably a lot of people end up getting hurt in here. Probably a lot of illegal activities going on in here. So they just wanted to seal it up to keep from being liable for any possible injuries, maybe even more serious than that. But again, look at how much this has dropped. This is just simply amazing to me every time I come here. And another dumpster from where they're cleaning this place out. Yeah, last time we were in this back room, this place was trashed. Now it's completely wide open. Nothing left but some paint and broken walls some broken skylights, and probably plenty more mold and much more vandalism. Yeah, there's so much vandalism that's happened here. All the water from the broken skylight just comes straight down here. And all this black mold has been given the opportunity to grow and to flourish. This is one of the rooms that was always locked last couple times we were here, but now the door is completely missing off the hinges.
Yeah, there's a bulletin board with some circles on it.
Yep.
Invoice office. They probably had records and stuff in here.
Yep, invoice office and maybe.
They didn't want people to see, and that's why it was locked up.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go out of that. Excuse me. I got a little sick from this stuff.
Well, this is only the beginning.
Get worse.
Well, depending on how far you go down the plaza, yes.
Yeah, wow, this is really cool back here.
Yeah, these wires were not hanging down before. Someone's come through and.
Be careful, don't touch this. Just in case you never know.
Yep, always.
Let's go ahead and come.
Yeah, this looks like it was part of the break room in here as well. We still have the sinks.
Yeah, and it looks like, I know some people that do mold restoration, and you can tell they cut the bottom layer off. They were gonna repair this building.
Yep.
See, that's some mold restoration there.
If you remember last time, guys, this was the powerhouse of this place. There used to be a little bit of a humming noise coming from here, but now it's all completely quiet. Also got all these wires just hanging down that I don't remember hanging down before. But I'm gonna make my way back over towards where these other guys are at. Look at all this black mold just flourishing back here. Yep, amazing. They've just cleaned this place up. And I don't know why they're going through all the expense and bother. Oh, wow. That's come a long way. Kmart's here has been closed for a while. That's pretty much all the area of the back warehouses. Completely cleaned up. Almost looks like they tried to wash the floors too. But it wouldn't really make too much sense to be washing the floors since most of these skylights are broken anyway. And looking at the front of the former pharmacy, a lot of different graffiti that I don't remember seeing before. And just let me make a side note here. With all the graffiti that's in here, it's going to be hard to try to edit out a lot of the profanity, so I do apologize in advance. But this is just how this building stands today in all of its infamous glory. Yeah, the ceiling's been much more destroyed since last time too. All the ceiling tiles are missing. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them. Then you got the infamous bathroom in here. What at one point looked like it was a murder scene, but it was definitely just some red paint. This girl's on fire. I guess that was supposed to come from the Hunger Games. R.I.P. Kevin. No one puts Kevin in the corner. And I don't see Kevin. And the infamous graffiti that stuck as an inside joke between us all covered up. Yeah, these are all just destroyed. And then the men's room. Yeah, this here was the Walmart Vision Center.
Okay, so this is the Vision Center. And it's kind of cool because I like Walmart. A lot of people don't really like Walmart. I think this is so cool to walk through. Kind of abandoned Walmart. I like Walmart better than Kmart.
And honestly, this is the first time I've been to a Walmart in over a month. And it's a closed one.
Don't figure. I think the same thing with me. It was like one of those things where I stopped going to Walmart for a bit.
And here's the back of the Vision Center. And this part of the Walmart really don't smell that bad. It must just be the back. This was like the exam room for your eyes. See? All the stuff. And I was trying to look to see. Oh yeah, there's like
Seriously?
vision things. And they would have like the different equipment to read your eyes.
There you go.
What's that? Oh. Because race car.
It don't make sense, but it's because race car.
Because race cars spelled the same forwards and backwards.
Like a supply closet for the Vision Center here.
Wow, just annihilated.
people got their senior pictures and stuff taken in this room.
Errol Castro is alive. Like I said, some of the graffiti is interesting.
Curious.
Yeah, Subway has parking inside now. That's the equipment they're using to clean this place out.
Switch to a line one should be good.
Yeah, it smells back here for sure too.
This is the back of the subway, I think.
Yeah.
Where they were prepped, get everything prepped up.
Yeah.
Like cut the veggies that need to be cut.
Yep.
And then over to customer service again. I know there's some stuff on the back wall that I don't want to get on film, so I'm not going to pan up. Because if I can avoid showing you different graffiti, I will. But in a lot of cases though, especially in here, it's almost impossible to avoid. I think this is one of their cash offices.
Oh, here's one where they did all the returns and stuff. It says hardware, toys, house items.
That's interesting. That's where they store their gas and diesel. There really isn't anything else in here though.
Look, here's like Express.
Yeah.
Shouldn't you see equal signs? Are we running past real fast?
Well, there's the bank right next to it.
Last but not least, we've got the Walmart Bank. The Wood Forest Bank or whatever it was called.
Yep. There's their logo up there.
If I didn't know any better, I'd say that someone took a picture and framed a fingerprint.
That does have a fingerprint.
This would have been their IT room, with all their computers and servers and other electrical. I'll do one more pan around of the back wall, show you how much that's changed. It looks a lot different from what I remember it. They completely covered it in black and then redid it over again. Yep. From the old electronics section to what was layaway slash pickup. This was the former layaway slash customer pickup area, store to store pickup. Yep, site to store. Yep, that's what they call this, site to store.
The only thing we didn't check is that. Oh, we didn't check the. Right, we didn't check the.
No, that was the family family rest. No, I've checked them before. That was the family restroom I was just in. And if this is set up the same way as the one in the front, this would be the men's side. Yeah, this was the men's side.
That looks like a blood bag.
Yep, absolutely, completely destroyed. Some old Walmart papers.
Well, my phone actually seems to be doing okay in the low light. I normally would have used my camera for something like this, but it's turning out.
Restroom care schedule.
There's the urinals.
Oh my goodness.
Fungus growing up there.
Yeah, there's still soap in this dispenser, and the mirrors have not been broken. That amazes me, of all the destruction in this place. Both of these mirrors are still completely intact. Now, I'm not gonna be too sure about the women's room next door.
The women's restroom is trash. I don't know what they did in here. They had a field day though.
Wow.
Yeah, hold on, honey. Thanks a lot, Wally.
Oh. Yeah, got a ping pong ball.
No,
Or a golf ball. Ha.
Wow, it's a trash bathroom.
Yep, toilet still intact. Broken toilet seat. Still intact.
Yep,
Still intact.
Leave in there.
And destroyed. So all the toilets, with the exception of one, are intact.
Yep.
And believe it or not, both of these mirrors are still intact in here too.
It actually smells like.
Found a box of pads on the floor next to the old dispenser here. Oh, no good anymore. Well, everybody, that's our 2020 update for the Walmart here at City View Center. We're gonna make our way back out of here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure you also check out John Cassity's channel. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Thanks again to him for coming out here with us and doing this exploration and update so we can show you guys exactly all the changes that have happened on the inside. Pretty shocked that they're spending so much time and money doing the repairs that they're doing in here. It's going to be interesting to see what they do with this place, if they do anything at all, or if they end up just ultimately knocking it down. Who knows? This place is just sinking into the ground. So I'll keep you updated as soon as I find out anything new. Keep it real, guys. See you in the next video.